up, y'all? So spur of the moment, I just decided to do a day in my life, vlogging and everything. I'm off work this weekend. It's Friday today, so I'm off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday is the Labor Day, so we are closed. So I'm off already, and I also had yesterday off, but I didn't vlog yesterday. So I'm just gonna do a day vlog today. I'm at the gym right now with my boyfriend. He's on the Stairmaster right now. Stairmaster just wasn't gonna work for me today, so I did the elliptical, and I'm about to do some stretching and then some abs right now, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Let me show y'all my new waist trainer I got because it's making me look snatched. My new waist trainer, and literally it's making me look snatched. Like, I mean, yeah, my backpack is still sticking out a little bit, but like I like this one. So I have a really deep arch in my back too, as you can see right there. But yeah, I'm feeling good in this one. It was $20 on Amazon. If I remember, I'll link it below. So yeah, I'll see y'all as I'm done workout, and then like after and everything. All right, y'all, I'm home from my workout. I'm still in my workout clothes because when I get home from work now, I be hungry. Like, so I literally just wash my hands and make me something to eat or a smoothie. And today I made an Açaí Bowl. Super bomb. It looks super good. So can't wait to dive in. I just wanted to give y'all an update. I'm waiting on someone to come pick up some hair. If y'all don't know, check out Royal Creations Hair. That's my business. I sell hair extensions, eyelashes, closures, wigs, and it's coming soon, lip gloss even, and then hair products as well. So definitely check out royalcreationshair.com. It's always linked in the description box. But yeah, if you don't know how to make an homemade Açaí Bowl, I actually have a video on my channel, so I'll make sure to leave that down below if I remember. Y'all know me, sometimes I be forgetting, but if I do remember, I'll definitely link that down below as well. But I'm about to eat this Açaí Bowl because I'm hungry. What up, y'all? Oh, my brain's sticking out. I've done been at my grandma's house for the longest. I done filmed a video of Black businesses that you need to know and support. So make sure y'all watch that video when that goes up. It might even be up before this one. If it is, I'll link it down below. But now I'm about to go pick up my boyfriend and go to the beach. We were supposed to go a whole hour ago, but the way life has just been set up today, it's just, we just went with the flow. So I'll catch y'all at the beach. What up, y'all? So I just picked up Roosevelt. Say hey, babe. You're not in talking mood today or what?
hands today.
Whatever. So we about to go to the beach, but first we're getting in and out. So the in and out line is always crazy, pretty much no matter what time of the day you come. So we're doing a little bet here. I feel like we will get our food by 3:22, and it's 3:11 right now. It was 3:09 when we first said that, and Roosevelt thinks by 3:30 or later. So we're gonna see who's gonna be right. He all up on his phone in his group chat right now, so he's not really paying attention. Rude.
You're the same.
But we shall see who wins. So it's 3:25. So we both were wrong.
It's 3:28.
No, but I was going off of this clock.
Well, that's not the right clock.
That is because I went off of this clock from the beginning. So it's 3:25. So we both were wrong, but I was closer in time than he was, because he was 5 minutes away still technically, and I was only 3 minutes away. So yeah, this day is a mess. So my coolant was like leaking out because it was overheated, so it's all leaked on the ground right here. But you know, I'm a handy woman, so I had that stuff in my car anyway, and I knew where it goes and what to do, so I fixed it, I think. But it's probably leaking out all the too hot stuff. It's probably just leaking out all the too hot coolant.
Okay, so it's supposed to leak a little bit, but not like this. It's a pool of it.
Well, I took the top off while it was still hot. I didn't let it cool down.
I'm riding through New York. Finna go and shoot New Jersey up.
Finally made it to the beach. Y'all, it's been a struggle to get here, but we made it. We ended up taking Roosevelt's car. So, yep. About to take some cute photos. Alright, y'all, we back from the beach. Roosevelt over there working on some work, helping his dad out. I'm just chilling. About to go home soon. My eyes are starting to water. So, yeah. We had a good day today. We had to stop to get Costco pizza as well when we left the beach. So that was good, but we had a good day together today. What? No, he's thinking out loud. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully it was long enough for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, ReneeCD13, Snapchat, ReneeCD2013, and stay tuned for more vlogs. Love y'all. Bye.